Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel sfdcproducts.com. So today we are going to discuss about the page layout in Salesforce and how we can use the page layout. So guys, before moving ahead on this video, if you haven't checked my previous video, please go over there and check that video as well, because that video also helped to understand about the record type and page layout, and this video is the next version of that one. So please first check out that video, and after that, please start this video. So you can get the link of that video in the first comment, and also you can get the link here in the right up corner. So guys, let's start. First, move to this object manager tab and search your object in which you want to use the page layout. So here you can get your page layout option. Just click on it. So guys, I already have created the page layout for graduation student and the post graduation student. And in my previous video, I have explained about the record type for graduation student and the post graduation student. So if you have checked that out video, so maybe you can understand it much better. Guys, to create a new page layout, you just need to click on this new button. Here you can choose a page layout if you want, and if you don't want to choose any page layout, so no worry, you can leave it as none. I'm just entering a name, test page layout. So guys, let's understand what we can do using the page layout. So let me open this graduation student page layout. So here you will get different options like save, quick save, preview as, cancel, and the layout properties. So in layout properties, you will get the page layout name and the highlight panel. So you can mark these field as true if you want to use the highlight panel or the interaction log, right? And if you don't want to, you can also uncheck this, and you also can change the name if you want. And here you can see there are different types of options like fields, button, quick actions, mobile and lightning actions, expanded lookups, related list, report charts. There are lots of options available here. So I'll explain some of the options here. So in the field section, you will get all the fields which you have, like standard or the custom one. And if your field is required for the object, so that field automatically will be available for your page layout. You cannot remove that field. For example, you can check here. This roll number field is a custom field, and this field is required, right? So I cannot remove this field from this page layout. This will be available by default, but your field is optional, right? So you can remove that field, like this address one. If I want to remove this field from this page layout, so I can remove. And if I save this, so address field will not be available for this graduation page layout for now. So you can check out this here. This record type is graduation. It means for graduation record type, we are using the graduation page layout, right? So just refresh it. So address field will be removed here. Uh, Okay, let me. Sometime if you refresh the page and you will not get any update, so just click on this and delete the cookies and the site data and reload this page again. So now you can see here this address field has been removed from here, right? Let's try different thing as well. For graduation record type, now I want to add the fields, right? So I want to add the address field, and I also want to add the HSC course, HSC marks, and the HSC passing year, just below the address. Okay, so now I have added these fields here. So just click on save and first delete the cookies. So now you can see here this address and the HSC marks and the HSC course and HSC marks are available right here. But these fields are not required, right? For HSC course and the HSC marks and the HSC passing year are not required for this page layout as well. And so let's understand the requirement. I want to make the this field is required for graduation student, but these fields should be optional for post graduation students. So how we can achieve this requirement? So what I will do, I'll go to the graduation page layout, and over there I'll click to the setting button, open this, and I'll make this field as required here. I'll just check this option and click OK. So now you can see the difference here. This asterisk represent the field property, like this field is required field for this page layout, and you also can make this field as required and this one as well. Okay, so click on save, just refresh this page. So guys, let's edit this page. So now you can see here, this asterisk is representing this field is required for this page layout. So if I make this field as blank, so you will get a message like complete this field. So without entering any value, you cannot save this record on this page layout, right? So you have to enter a value. So using this way, you can make a field as required for a particular page layout, and you can make a field as optional for different type of page layout. For example, let's see, if I open a different record for post graduation record type. So if I want to edit this page, so let's remove this field value, HC course. So this field was required for the graduation page layout, not required on this page layout. Just click on save. So you can save the record for post graduation student, but not for the graduation student, right? So this is the way to achieve this type of requirement, where you want to make a field required for a particular page layout, and don't want to required for another page layout or another record type, right? Also, you can control what fields you want to see on the particular page layout. For example, this UG and the UG course and UG marks, these fields were not available for graduation page layout, right? So if I duplicate this tab and open a graduation record, so you can understand it much better. So this is the graduation record type page, and for this record type, we are using the graduation student page layout, right? So the UG fields are not available for this page layout, right? And this HSC course is the required field for this page layout, but not for this. And the UG and the UG course and the UG marks are available for post graduation student, right? Also, you can check one thing here. For this record, we are getting these type of button here. So these actions are available here, like edit, delete, clone, change owner, change record type, like this, right? These buttons are not available here. Here we are getting only two buttons, like edit and delete. So how we can achieve this type of requirement? So if I open the graduation student, and if you check this Salesforce mobile and lightning experience action, right? So currently we have only two buttons here, like edit and delete. And if you want to add another one, so you just drag a button here, like change record type. Just save this and refresh this page. So now you can see here, edit, delete, clone, and this change record type is also available because I have added the buttons or the accents for this page layout, right? So with the help of the this mobile and lightning action, you can add the buttons or the accents here, right? And let's say you want to add the related list. So currently there are no related list available here, right? But you want the related list, right? So what you can do, you can go to this option related list, and you can check out what type of related lists are available here. So you can check here approval history, and these type of related list are there. And let's say I want to upload the documents of the student, right? So I need a file object, right? So I have added this file list here in the related list section and save it. And just refresh this page, go to related. So now you can check it here. File related list are there, and you can upload a file using this option, upload file or add file. So you can use both of the options to upload a file, right? So in this way you can use the page layout for your requirement. Whatever type of requirement you have, you can achieve that requirement using the page layout and the code type. So till now I have explained how we can use the page layout, right? And let's understand how we can create a new page layout. If you want to create a new page layout, so how you can create. So for that one, just click on this new button, and so you will get two fields here: existing page layout and the page layout name. So page layout is the required one, and this is the optional one, right? So you can check out all the listed page layout here. So for example, if you want to create a uh, replica of your page layout, of your existing page layout, right? So you can select that one. And if you don't want to make any replica, so you can select the none, right? And just give the name of your page layout. For example, I'm just entering the test page layout and clicking on save. And let me select the graduation student. So you can see this page layout has been created, and this is the same replica of the graduation page layout, right? So now you can add or remove the fields and the buttons or whatever you want, right? So that is all for page layout. So guys, if you have any questions related to page layout, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I will be more happy to answer all of your questions. So don't hesitate to ask any questions in the comment section. Guys, if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel to get the real-time update. Also hit the like button and also hit the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you very much. See you soon.